Hello fellow travelers, welcome to the first video of this channel entitled A Whisper in the Wind. This channel is dedicated for all of you as you go through life. Sometimes when we are thinking of certain things, or if we find ourselves in some challenges, sometimes a simple word or a simple phrase or a certain scene that we witness along the road could give us insights that will allow us to move forward in life. And this is the intention of this video and this channel, with the hope that somehow the things that are shared in this channel can help someone along their journey in life. Today, I would just like to share with you a certain phrase, dancing in the rain. I don't know why, but many of my significant experiences in life are always accompanied by strong rain. And many of those moments, I find myself wanting to dance in the rain, jump on the puddle, allow myself to get filled with mud and everything, and just to feel the raindrops touching my skin, reveling in the beauty of creation. And oftentimes it's like that also in life. I mean, not all rains are quite entertaining sometimes. I mean, sometimes when we experience rain, it makes us feel uncomfortable. But there's always that challenge of seeing the beauty in the rain, knowing that it is part of life and it is something that should be embraced, something that should be cherished, living in that moment, even if it is painful. I mean, because it's an experience of life, it is part of our journey, and it is something that will never come back again. I mean, our life is a continuum. It continues to go. Whether we feel like we do not want to go forward anymore, or we are in pain, or we are suffering, life continues. The journey continues. And the challenge for us is to cherish that moment. If we are in pain, to cherish the pain and try to find what we can cherish at that moment, looking at it in a positive way as a moment or an opportunity to learn from and to grow and to make us stronger as we continue our journey in life. There was one time I was traveling along the road, thinking of many things, in pain, and it was raining very, very hard. And suddenly along the road, the rain started to cease. And I was surprised. I saw a light rising from the ground, going up to the sky. I was curious, and I went out of the car that I was driving, and I realized that these were little lanterns that are being lit by people, and the hot air coming from the light or the candle, or maybe the fire that is underneath this lamp, allows the lamp to gather the heat, and slowly these lamps are floating into the sky. It was a beautiful sight. One light going up, then another one going up, and then another one, until finally the sky was filled with several lamps Amidst the darkness, are glittering lights slowly, slowly dancing in the sky. And it lifted my spirit. There are moments in life when we feel that it's so dark and we feel that we cannot go on anymore. And then some things suddenly just happen and surprise us. And suddenly the darkness becomes sweetness. So maybe the only thing that I can share with you is that there is always something in the rain. There is always something in the darkness that we can find joy, where we can find the strength to continue. The important thing is that we consider it as part of our life experiences. And we should cherish it. And if it is possible, let us dance in it. Dance at it, whether it would be with pain or with joy. Just try to dance with it. Try to celebrate that moment of life and continue. Because the rain does not persevere for long. Sooner or later, the rain will cease. And it will be part of our memory. And it will be part of our life where we can always look back and find some good insights that would help us continue along the way. So, if it starts to rain, let's try to enjoy it. Let's try to dance in it. If we can sing, let's sing in it. Don't worry if your voice is not as perfect as you would want it to be. The important is that we embrace it with joy. We cherish that moment and continue the journey. Well, I hope that this sharing will be able to inspire some people who might be under the rain right now. I invite you to come. Let's embrace life. Let's dance in the rain. Well, this is it for now. I invite you, let us continue our journey in life. And always remember, you are not alone and you are loved. Until next time, God bless.